Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit text in Filmora to add animations. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, to add animations to text, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, text on your screen or on the video you're currently editing. So I'm just going to use the quick text tool to add some text, overlay it above the video, and I'm gonna just enlarge it first, and I'm gonna make it look a bit different so that it pops more easily, or that you can see it more easily on my screen. So I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna scale it down a bit just so that it's fully visible. And now we have our text. Now that you have your text, click on it over here in the track where it's overlaid on top of the video. Then you're gonna go over into animation over here instead of basic. So once we're going to animation, you have your in animation, your out animation, and the loop. So you can choose whichever one you want. So for example, I'll go for in, and I'm gonna add this jump animation, and as you can see, that is exactly what it looks like. And I'm also gonna add an out animation, and I'm gonna add the leap down pretty much to make a full loop. And now I'm gonna add, for example, this as well. And now we're gonna play the video and we're gonna see what it looks like. As you can see, it looks like that. And now it's going to go away, and that is pretty much it. You can play around with the animations however you want. You can set up how long you want the duration to be for the intro, outro, whatever it is. So now that we've changed that, let's see. As you can see, it lasts much longer and it starts disappearing much earlier. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It really is as simple as that. It's very easy to edit the text and add animations. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.